Hey guys! For today's video, I will show you how to remove a background with multiple people in Photoshop. This is quick and simple, so just follow me. And as you can see, I'm here now at the Photoshop and you see I'm gonna use this big tree of the LA Lakers. The first tool we need to use is this quick selection tool. Just click and drag on the subject we want to. Just put some time and effort to wipe all the needed subject here. And just be patient and be attention to detail. It's a little bit hard. And once you have done finished covering all the needed subject with the selection tool, press Ctrl V to crop the subject and to make a new layer. After that, minimize Photoshop and drag the new background we will use. Just expand it to make it fit in our subject. And as you can see, it's not that perfect but it's good in the eyes. So that's its pretty simple method. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe.